Hi, it's Wanda of the product team. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Offer Spotlight onto your vehicle search results page. Offer Spotlight promotes your dealer-made specials within the vehicle search results page. To pick the offers you want to highlight, make sure to tag your dealer-created specials with Spotlight in the Specials tools first. To enable this feature, first from the editor, click Pages. Select Vehicle Search Results, then click Layout and go to Offer Spotlight. Click on the gear icon and go to the Offer Filtering options. Select All from the drop-down or select None if you do not want to display any offers. You can also change the title by going to Title Options and typing into the box. Please note there is a maximum character limit of 20. Click Done. And finally, to make your changes live, click Quick Actions and Publish Website. That's it, you're done. I hope you've enjoyed watching this how-to video. Check out more tutorial videos by accessing the Need Help section in Website Manager. Thanks for watching.